All right, Sumit Gupta is with us, AVP Research at Centrum. Sumit, good to have you with us here. Thank you very much for your time. So just the sort of big points to note here as far as when we navigate through this earnings season. Are there some common themes or factors which affect everybody? And then we'll get into specifics.
Yeah, hi. Thanks, Prashant, for having me. Good morning, everyone. So the common themes are like basically the pricing pressure has kind of like it is in the mid-single digits, 4 to 5%. However, there has been drug shortages which are supporting the overall prices. And moreover, if you see the niche launches, company-specific niche launches, just like Revlimid for some 4 to 5 companies, it remains a good opportunity for this quarter. So we see from company point of view also, these are like just like for let's say for Sun Pharma, there's a specialty specialty portfolio which is leading the growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So this is likely to drive the growth overall on the US part. And on the domestic part, if I come to, so basically we expect the domestic publishers market to do good for this quarter also.
So, Sumit, hi, morning. So, amongst the companies that you track, which is the company which is likely to report the highest growth? And secondly, which is the company where there is the risk reward is still favorable?
So we expect Sun Pharma to report a good growth. So basically, majorly led by the specialty segment and less dependence on the Revlimid portfolio. So we are positive on Sun Pharma. Apart from that, Dr Reddy's for this quarter can report a good growth in the domestic market led by Sanofi and the Nestle portfolio integration. Apart from that, so it will be specific segments, let's say in domestic market only, just like JV chemicals due to the Optel integration, it might show a 22% kind of growth, but however on the base portfolio, it will be around 12 to 30% kind of growth, which will be much higher, basically 150 to 200 base kind of outperformance through the IPM.
All right, Sumit, hi, good morning, good to see you. When you track the hospital space as well?
Yes.
There's been this hope with regard to, Healthcare Global, that deal effectively getting closed out finally. But we've heard that before. What kind of a valuation multiple does it trade at in comparison to the other hospital stocks? Because that's always been the cushion point, right? At around 250, 300 rupees. But now I think the stock is close to around 450 rupees. So what multiple does it get? And if there is a change of hands, what should it deserve?
Sorry, we don't track HCG as of now, but I think overall on sector basis, like we see good traction in the hospital space also. In the near term, there might be some concerns regarding the volume pressure, but however, we are positive on the hospital space.
What about a stock like Divi's Laboratory, Sumit? There is increasing optimism going into Divi's Laboratory. The stock is down well. There is a GLP opportunity. In the last 3 years, I was just seeing the stock price return. The CAGR has been a muted 4%. So it's been a bit of an underperformer, but now it appears to be playing catch up. So thoughts on Divi's Laboratory from here?
Yeah, so Divi is also not under coverage, but still overall, like you mentioned, just like the GLP opportunity is there, and moreover, the China Plus One opportunity that is going on. So these are kind of sentiments that is playing over the whole sector as a whole, be it in the all these CDMO players. So Divi is, I think it's one of the beneficiaries there.
Got that. I just wanted a quick word, Sumit. It's a sector where I'm assuming you'll agree, a lot of investors are bullish, right? Especially with that, the basic underlying driver is the first point you made, that pricing pressure has been dropping in the US for the last year and a half now, actually, right?
Right.
But stocks have done well. 2023, for example, many stocks doubled. This year, many stocks have gone up 40, 50%. So where is the highest risk reward in that sense now, Sumit? Which stocks, in your opinion?
So in my opinion, companies like Sun Pharma, they will likely to continue to do well considering their portfolio. In the value chain, it is higher up the curve with respect to the pharma companies. So the specialty portfolio is doing good. The drugs such as Ilumya, Winlevi, Cequa, Odomzo, all these are gaining market share on a month-on-month basis. So overall, I think it's a good portfolio, and Sun Pharma is quite comfortably placed there. Apart from that, Cipla is a second topic. So within the pharma, large cap pharma basically. If I come to the mid cap pharma also, so JB Chemicals and Torrent, we are positive on both.
JB and Torrent. Got it. In terms of capacities, I think Aurobindo's got the highest capacities, right? When we talk about US?
Right, but won't be able to comment on Aurobindo, but yeah, Aurobindo seems quite well placed.
Aurobindo also is pretty well placed. Got that. We'll leave it there, Sumit. Thank you very much for joining us. Good speaking with you, and we'll touch base through the course of the earnings season as we start to get some of these numbers in. We'll need your expertise as we analyze those numbers.